Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the lesson Art and Culture from the 8th class English textbook. Who is the writer of the story of Ikkat? Answer Syama Sundari. Ikkat means dash. Answer all the above. A technique in coloring threads, tie and dye, and chitiki. Who explained about Ikkat? Answer teacher. According to the lesson, the story of Ikkat, Ramya was a dash. Answer teacher. Children pelted her with questions. What does pelted means? Answer ask a number of questions. In which season do we use shawls? Answer winter. The word Babel means dash. Answer a talk difficult to understanding. Ikkat is related to dash. Answer handlooms. Patola is the word of dash. Answer Gujarati. In Ikkat, the threads stretched lengthwise are called dash. Answer warp. I have seen such a sight in villages of Nalgonda. Here the word sight refers to dash. Answer dotted threads in different colors. The drab class suddenly looked vibrant. Choose the correct antonym of the underlined word. Answer cheerful. She persisted. Can anyone tell me the name? Identify the suitable synonym from the given below. Answer A and C. Carry on and continue. Continue to do despite difficulties is also called dash. Answer persisted. How is chitiki rumal used by different people? Answer headgear. She fell silent, and the children recognized her pensive mood and kept silent. Choose the antonym of the underlined word pensive. Answer negligent. She pinned them neatly on the soft board, and the drab class suddenly looked vibrant. Choose the antonym of the underlined word drab. Answer cheerful. I don't know whether you will like them or not, she said, rather hesitantly. Choose the antonym of the underlined word hesitantly. Answer resolute. Ikat is an dash. Answer Indonesian term. Who was the writer of the poem The Earthen Goblet? Answer Harindranath Chattopadhyaya. Who is I in the poem The Earthen Goblet? Answer Earthen Goblet. Harindranath Chattopadhyaya was a member of the first Lok Sabha from which constituency? Answer Vijayawada. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers 1. Wonder. A. Wish to know. 2. Mandatory. B. Compulsory. 3. Pelt. C. Throw or shoot. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers 1. Giggle. A. Laugh in a silly way. 2. Babble. B. A talk difficult to understand. 3. Expectantly. C. Hopeful of something. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers 1. Intersect. A. Crossing each other at a point. 2. Headgear. B. A piece of cloth worn on head. 3. Jubilant. C. Very happy. 4. Not. D. Fasting. 5. Compelling. E. Extremely interesting. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.